नहीं गया,
बिल्कुल ठीक है।
क्या हुआ?
Cars flipping on busy freeways seems like a scene pulled out of an action movie, but this was very real. Four teenagers and a 12-year-old allegedly stole an SUV. It ended in a high-speed chase, and the video from May 2021 was just released by Florida Highway Patrol. Authorities say for
Are you okay?
No. No.
Ay, papás, aprieta el culito ahí que eso es pura gasolina. Mami, me acaban de chocar. Mami.
Ay, ¿cómo así? Ay, ¿qué hubo?
Me acaban de
Dios
chocar.
mío. Bendito sea Dios.
Mami, mi hija. Mami.
Connected.
Ma.
Blue Link Emergency Services.
Dramatic dashcam video out of upstate New York where a crash caused a massive pileup. You can see a truck plow through a line of cars. One of those cars actually caught fire after slamming into the highway divider. You can see bystanders rushing to help a woman trapped inside. They were able to put out the fire and pull her to safety. She somehow managed to make it out with only some minor cuts and bruises. 10 people were sent to the hospital following this crash. No one was killed.
Caught on camera in Texas, an 18-wheeler flips off of an expressway, lands upside down, and bursts into flames. Look at that. According to police, the truck and another vehicle collided, which sent the truck over the side. The 71-year-old driver did not survive that. Wow.